Okay guys, so on this Mitsubishi, the transmission, you're gonna find it on the driver's side, right in front of the driver's side. You come to the front and the transmission is gonna be here, right underneath the battery and the filter housing. The engine is that one. So to remove the transmission fluid or to change the transmission fluid, we're gonna go underneath on the driver's side underneath. I'm gonna show you right here. And we're gonna go basically all the way to the back by the frame. Okay guys, so for this car we only gonna need a few tools. We only need a size 24 socket, size 24 millimeter for this drain plug, and the one above is a size 17. I'm gonna show you when I remove it. So I'm gonna start with this one, and make sure you get your container. If you don't have one, you can make one out of plastic bucket. Look at this one I made. Look at this one that I made. It cost me nothing. So no excuses guys. If you guys want to get the job done, it's easy. Don't get scared. Let's start with this. I'm gonna remove the container for now so it's not on my way. I recommend you to use gloves because every oil has chemicals. Right behind the drain plug there is a little washer. Have to be really careful with that one in case you miss it. You don't want, make sure you put it back. It's almost out. Just want to make sure I get the washer. See it? Now with my size 17, I'm gonna remove the filler plug. Alright, so now the challenge is gonna be how to put it back in. Oh, look at this. This one has a washer also. See it there? So be very careful with that one as well. It's very important to put them back. If not, you're gonna have an oil leak. Alright guys, so here I just found a hose. This is like a 7/16 size. And if you have a bigger one, as long as it fits on the hole, that's all you need, because we're gonna use this hose to fill up our fluid. And I'm gonna show you guys how. Fill in the transmission filler hole. It looks like it goes in quite enough, so that make sure it goes all the way in. And then I don't know if I should cut this line. It's kind of long. Probably cut it. I'm gonna cut it about right there, and then I'm gonna remove the seal from the oil. In this case, I'm gonna be using 75/90. That's all they had in my local store, so I'm gonna go with that. There's not much difference on the grade. I'm gonna try it. I don't think it's gonna hurt him. Doesn't make much difference. And looks like this is synthetic. So I'm gonna cut it almost in the middle. So I'm gonna cut this. About halfway, I'm guessing. And then we have to do the same thing. On this one, I'm gonna make. On this one, I'm gonna make a hole in the back of it, so that allows the atmospheric pressure to go through, and the fluid will go in faster. If you don't put a hole in the back, it's gonna take forever. So that's always something to think about. Yeah, taking a little longer than normal. Yeah, so I guess the faster way will be the pump. Looks like I have to hold on to this, because if not, it's gonna come out. That's the only thing that sucks. You don't want to make a big mess underneath. Yeah, so it's pretty much gone. I'm just finishing the to do the process. This ain't lit. I want to save that one in case I need it for a future job. I have this one. You know what? I'm just gonna leave it, and I'm gonna turn this one into a funnel. Okay, so we're just gonna turn this one into a funnel. And we just got this little razor blade. Okay guys, so we already got it as a funnel, and we're gonna pour it in. I'm gonna hold it down here, make sure it doesn't come out. Go in kind of slowly. As we fill it up, we have to make sure that we keep an eye on the hole, because as soon as it starts coming out from there, that means the level is good. If you don't see that, that means the level is still low. We have to put enough oil until you see oil coming out through that filler hole. Okay, so already went in. And let me fill it up once again. Once you put 2/4, I will do it slowly, little by little. You can take out the hose and stop it there.
Okay guys, so the manual says that you have to use 2.3. It's almost about 2.5/4. So I only used 2.3 and that was good enough on my car.
Okay guys, so with my final that I made, guys, I put all the oil that came out of the car. You're not gonna believe how much came out. Look how much is left in the container. And this is all that it came out. Barely a quarter.
Please let us know in the comments how much oil came out of your transmission. And let's compare who has the less.
So this guy is lucky the transmission didn't blow out or anything like that. According to the specifics on the manual, I mean on the program, it says that you have to use 2/4 and 2.3/4, and you have to use the one for 75/85 gear oil. It doesn't have to be. It doesn't specify you have to use synthetic, but if you want, you can put synthetic. Okay, guys. So now we're done with the filling up the transmission. Okay, guys. So now we just have to put in the filler plug, size 17. Make sure you put in the washer. Just make sure it's nice and snug. That's it. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. We're gonna put all this back. I hope you like what you saw. And if it helped you to learn something, leave a comment and leave a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe and share. And don't forget to be better every day.